International students, welcome back to Full Scholarships. For today's video, we'll be discussing about Oxford University scholarship that's provided by the Whitefield Hoffman Scholarship and Leadership Program. But before that, we discuss further about this scholarship. Let me remind you, if you have not followed us on Instagram page, please click the follow button. Also, if you are new here, please press the subscribe button. You can get the scholarship link from the video description below, or you can get it from our Instagram bio here. You can also watch our Instagram story or message us or comment down below and we will send you the link. So after clicking on this link from the video description or here, you will be redirected to our website. Here you can read the details about this scholarship. So this is provided by the University of Oxford and is world's top university among the top 5 universities of the world, and the course deadline is divided into 2 sections: first intake and second intake. The first intake is January 7, 2022, and the second is 21st January 2022. So you can study in UK, and here are the courses that will be offered in this scholarship particularly. And there's one benefit: if you apply to Chevening scholarship and if you apply to any of these courses, you will be automatically considered for this scholarship. So while filling that application, you have to tick mark this scholarship name, Whitefield Hoffman Scholarship. So there is not any specific number of awardees. It can be anything, and it depends on number of applications. So ratio is adjusted accordingly. So preferably African, Asian, and South American are the target group of this scholarship. Anyone can apply, but these are preferred. So it's very high value scholarship and is top of the UK scholarships. So here are the application instructions, and simply after scrolling down, you can see the apply now, click here button. Simply click on this apply now button here. You will be redirected to official Oxford University page of this particular scholarship, Whitefield Hoffman Scholarship and Leadership Program. Simply read about details of this particular scholarship, and here you can check eligibility and how to apply. Click on this how to apply, and here you can see the relevant course page. So before applying, you should know that courses. So click on this course page, and you can check the Whitefield Hoffman statement from here. So you have to also know about this form. So but before that, go to course page here. Simply let me show the course page. Here I have been redirected to course page. Here you have to check any courses that you are eligible to or you are intending to apply for UK and Oxford University. So I am applying for my engineering science, and here you can check courses accordingly. So after scrolling down here, I can see my course here. So simply I will be clicking on this. You have to apply according to your course. So you have to do the same process but find your own course. So I am applying for engineering science. Click on this here, the course. You can read the course official page. So here you can check entry requirements about this course, resources, funding and cost, and the college preferences are also which college will be taught making this course eligible for applying, like available for you. So here you can see at the end is how to apply section. Simply go to how to apply section, and here you can check start or continue application. Read the details here, and here you can check all details, and here at the end you can see the apply button here. Simply click on this apply button. After reading all the details, you will be redirected to the login page or sign up page. If you have previously logged in to any of the graduate applications of Oxford, you can use the same details as we have. So I might be using that details. Otherwise, I will still show you how to process the new users. Now if you are new here, simply click here on the create account. After clicking on this, you will be redirected to the registration page. Simply submit the details mentioned here. Fill these details and then proceed. Let me fill my details and then I will be proceeding. After filling all the details, click here on the proceed. So here you can see we have successfully logged in, and now here I have chosen the MSc by Research in Engineering Sciences. So I'll just simply save and proceed. So now I have to fill all the details here, and I am like previously we have applied to these, but I am applying for this standard. So I am applying for this standard, then save and proceed. Next you can check the course section. So about my course, like I am applying for the MSc, so you have to fill all the data. I'm just showing you how to submit. So dates available if you have any. So I have to just choose college preference. I do not have any. I'm just applying to university college. You should know which one is better for you. Then simply save and proceed. Now submit the contact details of the third section. You have to complete all the sections mentioned above. So simply submit the basic details, phone details, home address, corresponding address, and if you are any nominated party, let me fill my personal details and apply to next section. After filling details, simply save and proceed. Due to some unforeseen reasons, and here you can check it's logging out automatically as we have previously submitted the same application, so it's showing that you cannot submit the two applications. So let me show you that video what we have submitted, and you have to proceed accordingly. So here you can see the UK full list, UK playlist, and here you can see, let me show you that. Here you can see the Oxford University scholarship, and you can open any of the video, and the process for these are same. So let me show you again what is happening here. So I have already actually submitted previously the application in the other video, so you can check that. And due to that, it's just showing that you cannot submit the two applications for same user. So here you can check, it redirects to the blank page first when I try to reload. This might happen with you also if you have previously applied. So you cannot apply. It's like you are applying for same course twice, so it's not possible. So that's why they are redirecting you to out of this page. So let me try to change any of the courses here. Let me check the other course. So here you can check automatic logout. So if you have previously submitted application, you can, so as you saw that we have previously submitted application. So I hope you have liked the process, and all you need to do is just go to our website, click here on apply. You do not have any previous application, so you can do that easily. So after redirecting to this website, you have to click here on apply. How to apply? Simply scroll down, and here you can see the course page. Simply after clicking on the course page, you have to choose according course. Let me suppose that you have chosen this course, so click on that course, and here you can see how to apply. Simply scroll down, and here you can see apply for full-time or part-time at the end. Simply, or either you apply for full-time or part-time, click on that. You have to just fill the create account, and with the same that I have shown earlier. So after creating that, simply log in with the same details. So after logging in, you have to simply fill the application, that tabs that were on the top of this page, so you can watch the video full and apply. So I hope you have easily understood what is the actual process. Simply sign up, fill details, upload documents, and that's it. So please follow us on Instagram for further updates, and if we get any notification from them, we will show you that also. So also you can get our YouTube videos here, so you can apply to these scholarships as well. So here you can see we have received some mail stating that the graduate application has been started. So I will try after 24 hours and try to submit the application again. I have filled my details, so I have to just upload documents and few details, then I will submit. So you will also get this mail when you start the application. So thank you for watching this video. Please do subscribe and press the bell notification icon. Thank you. Please like and subscribe.